In today's video, I'll show you how to delete files from your Dropbox account. Whether you want to free up space or simply stay organized, this quick guide will walk you through the process. When you log into Dropbox, head over to the left-hand sidebar and click on All Files. This is where you will see every file and folder stored in your account. Find the file or folder you no longer need. Next to it, click the three dots icon to open the menu. From here, select Delete. Dropbox will ask you to confirm before moving it. Once deleted, the file won't disappear right away. It goes to the deleted files section where it stays for up to 30 days. That means if you change your mind, you can restore it within that time. And that's it. A simple way to keep your Dropbox storage clutter-free and easy to manage. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.